Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the NAVITEL T787. So at the start, the Mozilla Firefox, and in this welcoming screen just click here on the zero mask. And now you are in the Incognito mode, but if you have any tab open, click here, choose zero mask and tap on the plus private. That's it. Sorry, this tablet works extremely slow. Okay, the next one, the Microsoft Edge. Click on the tab icon, tap on the in private, and click on the plus. In the Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to the private, and tap on the red plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. In this web browser, just click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon, switch to the new Incognito tab. And that's it, now you are in the Incognito mode. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.